Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the middle button right here. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be this one, the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you hover over it, you will see the status of the Do Not Disturb mode. Right now it's off, and if you want to turn on the mode, you simply tap on this icon in the quick panel, and the mode will switch to on. The icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can simply wake up the screen. One thing to mention is that when you wake up the screen on your watch, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here at the top popping up, which shows you that the mode is enabled if you're not sure if it is. And to disable it, like I said before, open the quick panel, find the icon of the Do Not Disturb mode, tap on it, the status will go back to off, the icon will go back to gray color, and after that the mode will be disabled. And if you want to, you can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So if you wake up the screen, press the back button to open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon, then tap on it. In settings, tap on general settings, and then scroll down and look for the Do Not Disturb mode. And here we have the Do Not Disturb mode option. You can tap on it, and we have off, on, and there is a time period. Off and on, basically, if you tap on, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and the status will change. If you select off, it will turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. But if you select the on option with the time period, it will allow you to make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, and basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific time. And you can set the start time, so the time on which it will be turning on to something, and you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. So I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30, tap on the check mark, and then we have the end time, and I'm gonna set it to something like 8:30. Okay, and once you set it, the on with the time period will be enabled, and now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 8:30 a.m. automatically. And of course, if you want to disable it, tap on the option, tap on off, and the status will go back to off. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.